it's your girl Maya Nicole here, and I'm back with another video today. As you can see, I look very brand new, very different. So I have this new blonde wig on for you guys today, and I'm going to be doing a hair review for you guys. So this hair is from ISEE Hair, and I just wanted to do like a quick review just on like the quality, shipping, simple things about the hair. And before we get started in this video, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Let me know what you want to see from me next. If you want to see like hair reviews or hair tutorials, that's something in the works, or just anything on my channel. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Alright, so to go ahead and give you guys like a few specs on this wig, I put it in my phone. So okay, so this hair is a 613, of course, and this is the straight Malaysian wig that they have. I put some wand curls in it because it looks better curled in my opinion, but it's so nice and it's so soft. This is 20 inches, and also the density is 130%. So I guess to get started, I'll show you guys the box. It's really pretty, really cute. And then you just open it up. This is what you see inside. You'll see a little card that has the hair care on it, and then some eyelashes. They're actually cute because, you know, sometimes they be giving you those cheap lashes, you know, they came through. But yeah, packaging was really pretty, so I was surprised and happy. So, you know, I appreciate good packaging. Aside from that, I guess I can get into shipping. So I ordered this like 2 months ago. I ordered this on August 20th and it shipped on the 22nd. I forgot when I got the hair. It's been a while, you guys. But I think I got it within like 2 days after it shipped. 2 or 3 days. So shipping wasn't too long. And on the website it says 2 to 7 days. So it was normal. And then going into quality of the hair. Now this hair is really, really nice. It's really soft. It doesn't feel like doll hair. Because I watched like other reviews, not on this hair specifically, but just blonde hair in general. And some people were saying like, you know, some blonde hair can feel like baby doll hair, or it's not soft enough, or it's really like, you know, dry and whatnot. But this is really nice hair. Like, it's really soft. It's, you know, not stiff. And it doesn't tangle a lot at all. Rarely, really. But yeah, it's real nice. The only thing I will say though, it's really about the density. I wish this wasn't 130% because it's kind of on the thinner side, which is good for straight hair, I guess. But I kind of like my wigs to be slightly thick. Like, I like the 150 to 180. And this is my first time, you know, getting a 130 because I'm still new to wigs. You know, I'm still kind of new. But I was just like, you know, we'll try it out. We'll see what happens. And I mean, it's cool, but sometimes if I don't do my hair a certain way, or like, you know, comb it a certain way, you can see the tracks. That's not cute, sis. It's not it. Period. So we can't go outside like that, you know. We gotta look nice. So yeah, that's the only thing I'll say. I wish it was 150 or higher. But the 130 is still cool. It's still cool. It's just a little bit too thin for me. Also, 2 more things. This hair, like the ends, they're nice. They're not, you know, rough or anything. They're cool. They're pretty soft. And also shedding. Shedding is normal amount. I mean, it sheds, but it's not terrible. It's not like, oh my god, like, where's all this hair coming from? But it's minimal shedding, pretty much. But other than that, yeah, quality is great. So the price, it was originally $203, which is a weird amount, but basically $200. But I used a discount code and it was like $195, which isn't too bad. But I mean, it's still a lot for a wig. It's the most I ever paid for a wig, because I'm just like, I'm not trying to spend all my monies in one place. But I'm glad I got it, because this will be around, I'll have this for a good little minute. And also, I'm not gonna film a video on this because there's plenty of videos on it. But I'm gonna bleach the knots on this wig and my other 2 wigs. And then I'm gonna, like, you know, try them on and see how it looks. I know it's gonna be wonderful, but I'm kind of scared. I don't want to burn the hair. Well, not like burn the hair, but like make the hair fall out or over bleach the knots. But we'll see how that goes. We'll see. Honestly, this is legit the quickest video I've ever filmed. Like, the entire time I've been doing YouTube, this is the quickest video. I'm happy, but I'm like, wow, like, am I forgetting anything? But I mean, essentially, that's pretty much it. My overall review on ISEE hair is that, you know, good shipping time. I would say I got it between 3 to 5 days, and the hair quality is amazing. You know, get you some hair, get you some bundles, a wig. But yeah, I really like this company. I didn't have any problems, so I recommend you guys go shop with them. But overall, that's pretty much the end of this video, and just let me know what you want to see next from me. If you want to see hair tutorials, maybe I can do something like that. I have one video idea in store for you guys. Not gonna say anything, it's just gonna pop up in your subscription feed. Hopefully you subscribed already. But yeah, that's about it. And just remember to follow me on my socials. I'll have them down below in the description bar and probably on the screen if I edit it in there. But I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.